Hello and welcome to QuickTechie text to speech product, which helps you to convert your text data into either MP3 format or OGG format. In this product, I will show you how to use this product, how to activate this product. The basic installation steps I have already provided in previous video. So in this video, we will focus more on the usage of this product, how you can convert this file and basic features of this product. So once you launch this application, this is the UI, or you can say GUI you would see when you launch this application, or you can say this is the first screen when you launch this application. Now what you have to do, we are using here Google to convert our text file or text data to MP3 or OGG format. Why we choose Google? Because Google is one of the best on this speech synthesis, like converting text file into audio file. The best quality you can find among all the cloud provider, the Google one is the best one. So we choose for this one. Now once you click on this text to speech Google button, it would launch different screen, correct? So in this screen you need to see the various things before you need to use it. So now first thing, this application by default launched in a demo mode. So if you have subscribed from QuickTechie website this product, then you would get the license as well for this product. So if you are not subscribed and you want to just test the demo version, then also you can do. So basic activation in the Google Cloud you have to do before using this file, correct? Using this application, sorry. So in this case, application is already activated on Google Cloud, so I can even run this demo version. So in different video I'll show you how to do setup on the Google Cloud to use this application. Now simply go on this UI. I will go field by field. The first thing you would see, enter license provided by admin for activating this application. So if you don't want to activate right now and just want to try demo version, you can do it, nothing to do here. Now this is your license information. So in this product, this product is very system specific, one user specific. It cannot be activated more than one machine for one subscription. If you need more than one subscription, obviously you need to buy that many number of subscription. So this is the unique information about your machine. This would be shown here. So this is the installed client right now on Windows machine. You can install same on Unix as well as Macintosh. Now demo mode. So it is the information. This is the information. This application component is not yet activated. Please check quicktechie.com for more information if you want it. Okay. Now this is the just button we have given, so you click on it and it would go to quicktechie.com website. Now this is the place where you would insert your text to convert into either MP3 format or OGG format. So let's say this is the basically there is a limitation in the Google when how much text you can convert into MP3 file or OGG file. So in single request they are supporting only 5000 character. So if you want to create a MP3 file more than 5000 character, then it's Google directly does not provide. So here what we have done, there is no limit of number of characters in this application. So once you insert the text here, so you can put any amount of text and you can convert into MP3 file in a single MP3 file. If you want to split in multiple MP3 file or OGG file, then you have to put that many requests. So now in the demo mode, if you want, I can run it. Okay, so you can put some text basically. So so this is the text which I have copied from basically Google on Wikipedia, and I wanted to convert into MP3 file. So what I'll do, simply select this text, put in my basically application here, correct? You need to replace this text with this, correct? Simply copy and paste here. So once you click on this, even it would show you like number of characters you want to process it or something, correct? So this is, we are still on demo mode. Here you can change the speaking rate. By default is the normal one, which is good for most of the cases, but in your case, if you want to change the speed rate of this, then you can change it. Now convert to MP3 file basically, correct? So you need to select the language in which you want to, so here 250 plus different languages are supported, so you need to provide text in this particular language here. So here you can see this file has, we have added 2500 characters here approximately, and but this is a demo version, so it may not be converting the entire text, but for demonstration purpose it's good. So let me select English language here. English language, based on which country you want to convert, you can select it. So English United States I would select, and you should be able to understand there's a differences between standard voices and WaveNet voices. WaveNet voices is the best quality voice, and standard is a little bit not that good, but still that is very good. If you are looking for cheaper solution, you can go for the standard voice. Otherwise you can select a WaveNet voice. So I am selecting here WaveNet voice of female in United States for to convert this, correct? So this is what I convert. Now format, what format you want to convert it into, either MP3 file or OGG file, correct? Now you need to choose the destination, correct? Where do you want to convert your file basically, correct? So you can click on this choose destination, and based on that you can select your location. So in this case, I'm selecting is C drive T2S is my folder name I have created and save this. So this is the location where I wanted to download my audio file, correct? Now destination is chosen. Now simply click on download audio format, because you wanted to convert it to MP3 file. You can click on this download audio. This application is running in demo mode. Click OK to continue demo mode. Okay, so you can continue it even in demo mode. So some things before you move it, text to speech conversion started. Click OK and wait. Once completed, you will see a message. Content size here, it is saying 573 characters because it is a demo mode, so it would reduce your number of characters which are being submitted here. Now the basic pricing while recording this video and this application is released, if you are using standard non-wave like WaveNet voices, 0 to 4 million characters are free per month from the Google. So you won't be charged if you're converting. This is a huge amount if you are not using too extensive user of this MP3 conversion, and this is absolutely free up to 4 characters, correct? So if you see, we have been testing our application, we have never been charged because our consumption is not that high. Whenever we did some major conversion, that time only it is being charged to us. WaveNet voices, if you are using, then 0 to 1 million character are absolutely free for 1 month, and after 1 month, within a month, not after 1 month, within a month, if your usage increase more than 1 million character, then $16 per 1 million character you would be charged. This is a much cheaper rate for converting your text to speech. And for latest pricing detail, you should always check with the Google and see the prices basically, correct? So now click on OK and it will move further basically, correct? So if you click on this, conversion is in progress, you need to wait, and it is saying this file is saved under C drive T2S folder. The file name is quickteti.mp3 file. Okay, so you can click on OK. Now I would go to my C drive and see this file is downloaded, correct? I double click it and it would play this file.
Google LLC is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, a search engine, cloud computing, software, and hardware. It is considered one of the big 5 companies in the American information technology industry, along with Amazon, Apple, Meta, Facebook, and Microsoft. Google was founded on Thank You.
So this is the file conversion you can see here, which is done in the demo mode. Now you wanted to activate this file, correct? Like this application, because you like it and you want to use it further. So you need to get a license for this application activation, which is applicable for some duration, mostly for 1 year or something. So that license you need to put here. So I would try to put one license here. Basically this is the text which I have copied for our application. Now let me copy the license file, and once license is available, I'll basically copy here. So this is the demo version of license which can activate your application I'm putting here, correct? So this is your email ID or some license related information and everything, correct? So once this is saved, you can save this license and this application will be activated. However, you need to restart this application after license save to license to get activated. So simply click on this, and this is your existing license would be updated, correct? So it's like updation of the license and many existing license if you want to update. So you can say simply yes, and this is blank. Now you need to close this application, okay? And once you close this application, you need which you can do. So give me a moment, I'll relaunch this application. So once you relaunch this application, this is what you again see here. Simply click on this and it would now see this application is activated. Here again system information is unique, your license owner of this demo text at gmail.com. Quick take. So this is your license information, like when you have activated started date, basically kind of thing, and you see an end date is 21st November 2022, correct? So this license obviously you can try demo version, but we will disable it for after this demonstration, so you would not be able to use it. Now let me put this one, the text again, and convert this entire file, correct, which is even bigger than 5000 characters, and let me choose different language as well, correct? So give me some time. I'll try to find text which is in different language. So now I'm pasting here text in different language, which is in India it is Hindi language, you can say. This is very specific to India, and you can see here I have pasted more than 5000 character here. So you can basically now convert this file, and your location destination could be same again. So let me select language here, Hindi, and again I would prefer WebNet voice conversion into MP3 format, T2S folder. So I'll use this, correct? Now you simply click on the again download. So now here you can see it will give you how many character here. So now click on download audio. So you see here now total number of characters 7390, which is more than 5000. So it would create a single MP3 file for entire 7390 characters. So let me click on OK. Conversion in progress. So bigger the file, more time it would take, basically, correct? So make sure this application always required internet. Without internet this application would not work. So you have to you have to have an internet connection working while converting, while using this application. Now again you can see this file is converted into this MP3 format. So I'll say OK, correct? Now I'll go to again this folder here. You can see this is the new file which is 2 MB created in MP3 format. So now let me simply play it.
टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज लिमिटेड TCS एक भारतीय बहुराष्ट्रीय सॉफ्टवेयर सर्विसेज एवं कंसल्टिंग कंपनी है। यह दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी सूचना तक।
So this is an basically you can see 8-minute audio file is created, approximately 8 to 9 minutes, correct? So that is how you would use this application. Now very simple application to use. It looks like bigger application, but to use simple instruction to use it and to convert any text into 56 different voice format and 40 plus languages. You can convert your MP3 file. So many of our customers are audiobook publishers. They are using this application to convert their textbook into audio file, because sometimes it is difficult to get people to convert into audio format and kind of thing, and this is very well and very cheaper solution basically to convert in any text to or audio format. So this is the demonstration which I wanted to show you, and you can follow the same instruction to use this application. And you can click here to go to basically on any of the website of quicktechie.com to learn more, or you can always connect to info@quicktechie.com to get more detail about this product. So thanks for watching, and I hope you would like this product, and this would be helpful and help you to increase your productivity. One thing I wanted to mention you here, the cost here is like, one is different type of cost. The one is you product buy from QuickTechie itself. So we are just providing software solution for this thing, but you need to activate your account in Google Cloud to use this product. So we would be providing different video instruction how to convert that how to activate your account in Google Cloud. I hope that would be helpful, and if you need further help, please contact quicktechie.com, email ID info@quicktechie.com. Thanks, I'm stopping now.